Hi everyone and welcome back. So next we're gonna see how to add a drop shadow and a blur effect to a shape. So let's go and create a rectangle shape. Click and draw. So adding a effect is exactly like adding a fill or stroke. Here's in the properties panel. Let's hit the plus icon beside effects, and here as you can see a drop shadow has been applied to my box. We can change the setting of my drop shadow. So here is the X position, the Y axis, and we can increase the blur and the spread. We can also adjust the color opacity. Okay, let's go 5 and the spread 5. And we can also save this blur effect into a effect style. So here in the folder icon, plus, let's give it a name of drop shadow 1, and here our style has been created. So as you can see in the sidebar, a drop shadow exists, and we can apply this drop shadow over new frame. Here in the style icon, drop shadow, and our effect will be applied. Next, let's see how we can create a blur effect to an image. So let's go here and place image and import this image. Open, click to import. Next, let's go to the effects section, plus, and here in drop shadow, try the layer blur. Here we can blur our image, increase and decrease the blur value. We can also save our blur effect, create style. We can apply it again to another layer. So here our effects. Now let's see how we can create a background blur. Again, let's import another image, place image, let's move it a bit to the right, and let's draw new rectangle over our image, and we'll give it an opacity of 50. Next, let's go to effect, hit the plus icon and go to background blur. And as you can see, everything that is in the background of our box will be blurred. So we can increase the value. Let's see. And this is kind of create a glass effect to our rectangle shape. And again, we can save our glass effect, create style, and here we have all our styles. All right, that was all for this part. Thanks, and I will see you in the next lesson.